Env431. Yay, week 5. Oh my gosh, this class has flown by. So keep working hard. I'm working on getting your items from week 4 reviewed. So keep at it. All right. So this week, final week, we are doing a podcast. I got my notes here. So basically, choose one of the top list. If none of those, as the last choice indicates, if none of those are really up your or in your wheelhouse that you'd like to explore, I mean, try to get out of your comfort zone and look at things that you don't normally look at, because this is your opportunity to study stuff. Let me know, because I want to make sure that the topic you choose has enough potential data for you to be reviewing it. Okay, so you're looking at a 15-minute podcast, roughly. Podcasts can be done with phones or i.e. just take a video. You can do a video podcast, you can do an audio only podcast. Either way, there's also on your computers, depending on which computer you have, there's audio recorders that you can use. But again, phone is good. So take a look at those items. Now, make sure that under the record, there's multiple sets of bullet points. You're going to hit all of those, okay? Make sure you hit all of those. For your references, like for example, you've got to talk about the stakeholders. You've got to review what existing and proposed policies are for this as well. So I mean, this is a deep dive, all right? That's why it's longer, okay? That's why 2 peer-reviewed journals and then another source, like can be just a news site or something to that effect, okay? At least 2 peer-reviewed journals, okay? For your references, you basically are going to be turning in 2 files. So you're going to be turning in a Word document that has your references and then your podcast. There is an alternative way to do the podcast, i.e. you basically just make one slide of a PowerPoint and you record a 15-minute presentation on that one slide. I mean, that's the alternate way to do this, okay? So that way you can also just stick your references right there. All right, let me know if you have questions. This should be fun. Again, a deep dive. Enjoy learning and having the opportunity to learn something new. All right, everybody's getting out of their comfort zone with these. That's good. This public speaking is important. Speaking to groups is important. Okay, all right, keep up the good work. Cheers.